Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring you have a current backup or disk image because repairs can write to the disk. Once you have recovery media, plug it in and boot the PC into Windows recovery environment. Use BIOS/UEFI boot menu or Shift plus restart if available. When you reach choose an option, select troubleshoot then command prompt. This gives you direct disk access. Make sure you know the system drive letter, which can differ in recovery, and then proceed to check and repair the file system. You run CHKDSK with /F and /R against the identified system volume to fix bad sectors and metadata. This can take time, so be patient. Once file system repairs complete, check boot configuration. Use bootrec/fixember and bootrec/fixboot to restore core boot code, then use bootrec/rebuild to scan and add Windows installations. If that misses entries, use bcdbootc/Windows to recreate a working BCD store. Make sure you target the correct drive letter in recovery. You now restart the system to verify the fixes, remove the recovery USB, and let Windows attempt a normal boot. If the error persists, don't repeat surface repairs indefinitely. Capture a disk image for data safety and run manufacturer diagnostic and smart checks to confirm hardware health. If diagnostics show failing sectors, replace the drive and restore from backup. One key troubleshooting tip: use a different SATA/USB port and cable to rule out controller or cable faults before concluding the drive is irreparable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.